Our friend Jeffrey from Bestland Garage Door Service is here, and we're having a little fun with our megaphone question today.
Yeah, we want to know if your garage door could magically do one more job, Jeffrey. We're hoping you can kind of help with this. Would it be sweep the floor, organize the toolbox, take out the trash, or find my keys? Where are they? Speaking to our megaphone right now by scanning the QR code on your screen or head to wearegreenbay.com. Click on Local 5 Live to answer. All right, so far it's 50-50 for organizing the toolbox and finding my keys, all things that happen in the garage. Hi, Jeffrey.
Hi.
Okay, do you think you can make this happen for us? I mean, Bestland is the best.
I mean, we do what we can. If there's anything
If you find keys on the floor, you'll pick them up.
I mean, you can now program your phone to open your door. So find my phone. Technically, we could help you find your keys.
There's a good connection. Let's talk about that a little bit. What is the latest in technology when it comes to having our garage door make things better for us?
The latest technology, we're using direct drive motors instead of a traditional style motor. It works a lot better, a lot more consistently. It is very quiet, very powerful, and when you need one in the future, say 10 to 15 down the line when it wears out, the motor itself has replaceable parts.
Okay.
And the carriage
so you wouldn't need a whole new one.
You wouldn't need a whole new one.
Okay.
And there's many upgrades where you can get that with Wi-Fi, you can get it with keypads, you can get it with remote controls that have a much better range than anything that's programmed into your car or an older remote control.
So I can close my garage door from work if I forget to?
You sure can.
Just with my phone?
Yep. Yep. You can hook your phone up. You can close it from Seattle if you would like to.
So when's the best time to give you a call? Not when the spring is already broke, but when?
When you start hearing noises, your door starts acting goofy, it's not operating with the consistency that it needs to. Start paying attention to that now, because you definitely don't want to wait till January and have an issue when you don't have anywhere to go.
When you get stuck outside or inside.
Or inside.
All right, you know, you both repair and replace, so let's start with that repair team. You guys consistently get 5-star Google reviews. Tell us a little bit about these guys and gals.
They're great. From answering the phone to going over all of your options, your warranties, parts. The installation is phenomenal. They are there to answer all your questions. So,
well, I have a question for you.
Okay.
If you have a heated garage, is there a different type of panel that you use instead of like a non-heated garage?
You would want an insulated door with a higher insulation rate.
Okay.
So in this area, we do a lot of insulated doors just to, most people think keep the cold out in the winter, but in actuality, this time of year, if you're getting direct sunlight, your garage door is a sauna if you don't have an insulated door. So if you have a heated garage, you would want a thicker door with a higher R value. They are a little bit more expensive, but they will save you in utility bills and obviously last you a lot longer.
Well, all right, for sure. Today we talked about a couple new things. We talked about technology and that heated door, but let's check in one more time to see if, you know, your garage door can help you in some other way in the future. Ooh, the keys are winning out.
Yeah, they're winning out.
All right, people. if Bestland finds your keys on the floor of the garage, they can find them for you. It won't be the garage door doing it. It'll be like Jeffrey or somebody. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You can reach Bestland Garage Door Service at 920-789-3667. Book an appointment online at bestlandgaragedoor.com. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Jeff.